Today we are going to teach you how to factor quadratic equations.
Alright, so let's start with a practice problem. So we're just going to delete that. Alright, so the practice problem that we're going to try to solve today is x squared minus 12x plus 27. So we know that we need to come up with two numbers that multiply to equal positive 27, but that add together to make negative 12. So, because we have x squared as our quadratic, what makes the quadratic is that we have x squared in this problem. So, we know that we're going to need an x there, and we're going to need an x there. Now, we also know, like I said before, that the two numbers that we're going to put into this problem have to multiply to make positive 27, but add to make negative 12. So that means if they're going to add together to make negative 12, for this case, they're going to be two negative numbers. And we know that a negative multiplied by a negative is equal to a positive number. So we're going to figure out some factors of 27, and the one that we're going to use today is 9 and 3. So we're going to have negative 9 here and negative 3 here. So we can see that negative 9 plus negative 3 equals negative 12, and also negative 9 multiplied by negative 3 equals positive 27. Alright, so if the answer to this quadratic is negative 9 and negative 3, and our problem is x minus 9 multiplied by x minus 3, then we can just convert negative 9 and negative 3 into positive numbers to solve this quadratic. So for this case, the answer to this is going to be x equals 9 and x equals 3.
So now we will teach you how to double check your equation. So, if your answer is x minus 9 and x minus 3, then if you FOILed that back, it would go straight to the quadratic equation. So x times x and x times 3 and 9 times x and 9 times 3. Negative 9 times x and negative 9 times 3. Negative 3. Alright, so x, it would equal x squared minus 3x minus 9x plus 27. And if you finish the equation, it would be x squared minus 12x plus 27. And you are done. Today, you have learned how to do quadratic equations.